oil, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on the daily chart, the price break this low. Now the question is how deep this one can go, and what we are more interested if we get the up move. Okay, but before that, we want to see how deep this one can go. And if we refer back to the both indicators, we can see the divergence. Okay, in this case we want to see whether we can get the up move or not. But is there any possibility again what's repeat here can be here due to the situation we have it, current situation, because of the economic and everything? Yeah, the possibility is there, but that's why we need to get the buys, the trade setup. But before we take the trade, but what we are more interested, we want to see when is the end of this, and we are interested to get the up move. Okay, based on the analysis and the whatever the information that we have it. In this case we move to forward chart. Okay, based on the forward chart again, we broke this low and we have this correction. Okay, we don't have anything, so we want to see whether we get the one move down from the correction we have it. Then how about the 1 hour chart? Okay, based on the 1 hour chart, again there is a possibility that what is happen here is repeat this one. That means we get the correction, the price drop, we get correction, the price drop, the possibility there. Okay, but again based on the even based on the indicators we have here, we want to see what we have here. We see the way the price. Okay, may I show this one again first? Okay, based on this one we see the price keep dropping, but this one showing me the divergence. But again we cannot rely on this. How about this? We don't have it. We will see what we will get here. Okay, anyway, for longer term trade we are more interested in the up move, but before we get this up move, the possibility of repeating whatever we have here is there. Okay, that's why we want to know how deep this one can go. Okay, now we want to see if we get any sell setup. We can, for the short term, we can look for the down move for the sell. Okay, do we have the sell setup right now? We don't have it, but as we can see the price, if come tag this low a bit higher, drop, any trade setup, if I don't mean the drop, any trade setup within this we can trade it. Having entry below this, I don't suggest it because of this gap. Okay, unless the price sharply move down. That means if anyone wants to have entry below this, the move should be really sharp. Okay, it depends on them whether they want or not, but for me I prefer the price come a bit higher, confirm the breakout of the top, any sell setup we trade it, and if we get the down move, as low as we consider it as a short term trade, we get into the profit, we try to manage it. Okay, because for the long term we are more interested in the up move. How about if the price sharply break this top and give a correction? Then we shouldn't look for the down move. Then from there we can look for the up move. That means if we want to look for the up move, the best things, whether the price from here or come to this low, sharply break this top, give a correction, then we look for buy from what we have right now. If the correction become more complex, maybe we need to see the differently. This is how we're going to trade it. And again, if we get any down move, you get any trade, the price come here, we need to manage it. Okay, because how about the price come here, we get more deeper correction. All right, that's why the price come here, we manage in case we get a more complex correction and the price reverse, because we are not sure how deep this correction can be. And how about if the price corrects similar to what I'm drawing here, this one can give us a better trade for the down move. Okay, that's why before we take the trade, let's for the down move, let's the price come to this high. Then if you get any down move trade, based on the lower time frame, sharp move down flag, you can trade it. But if you see the price is moving slowly correcting, we don't sell it, because in that time mostly the price come here, correct, move up, correct, similar to what we have here. If we get this again, this is can give us a better trade for the down move. All right, anyway, we just follow the chart and we see what we get here. Then from there, if I see any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.